In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up downloads here on Chrome. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Google Chrome and clicking the three dots up in the top right. And then from here, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select on Settings. On this left-hand side over here, you're going to see an option for privacy and security. Go ahead and open this up and then scroll down on this page until you see the security tab and select it. From here, scroll down even more until you see advanced right here. And underneath advanced, you're going to see an option for secure DNS. Go ahead and make sure that this is turned on and change the provider to either Google DNS within here, which is going to be down at the very bottom, or Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1. This is going to give you faster speeds. After doing so, go ahead and type in a new browser, Chrome : flags, just like so, and hit enter. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Up in the search bar, up at the very top, go ahead and type in parallel, and you're going to see parallel downloading. Go ahead and enable this, just like so. And then it's going to ask you to restart Chrome. So go ahead and restart Chrome real quickly. And finally, if things are still slow, go ahead and power cycle your Wi-Fi by unplugging your router for about 30 to 60 seconds and then plugging it back in and reconnect. But now your Chrome download speeds are going to be a lot faster. If you do have any questions, once again, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.